don't get the difference between Powerade and Gatorade. Is it just me, or is there a different taste, or what is it? What is it? I don't get it. What is the difference between Powerade and Gatorade? Gatorade. For Gators. IDK. Powerade. I should be in a Powerade commercial. Powerade gives you the power with the aid. Thumbs up. I really shouldn't be in a Powerade commercial.